Tuki, and also our Karbi Choi, Karbi jacket, traditional Karbi jacket is being presented to him by our Honorable CM Sir, along with a Karbi bag called Jamborong, and also with the Karbi Poho. Alongside a beautiful Jambeli is being presented by our Honorable CM Sir to our Honorable Minister. Okay, without taking much further time, now we will proceed with the interaction of our KEC with Sir joining us. Up next, we have our Honorable MP Sir, Sri Amar Singh Tiso Sir. I kindly request CMD Bangka Sir to kindly felicitate our MP Sir, Sri Amar Singh Tiso Sir.
Hot gases. Utilization plans are in place to utilize hot gases in the coal furnace instead of raw coal, aiming for a further reduction in coal consumption and enhancing overall fuel. The installation of a Colts Jet Bag House, PJBH, is in its final stage and will be completed within this calendar year. This will not only
Now, our Honorable CM Sir, Dr. Juliram Rohan Sir, is going to felicitate our Honorable Minister Sir. Minister Sir, Vishnu Kumar Swami Sir. Thank you so much.
दीपांक कैसे पकड़ो नहीं सॉफ्टवेयर में सर्वाइवल नहीं होती है सॉफ्टवेयर में सर्वाइवल की दिक्कत आती है सर थोड़ा सा तो बाद में कर लेंगे नहीं अलग है सर आप सर भी कर लेगा छोड़ दो बाद में कर लेंगे नहीं आता से